Just wanted to show my project that I'm working on. It's just a behind the scenes, everything's a mess. Nothing is staged for pictures or anything. There's the hot glue. I'm gluing everything down because this is my epic Christmas garlands that I've been working on since yesterday. And everything is Dollar Tree, pretty much. All the little like embellishments. I thought maybe it would be better to make a short video because I feel like pictures don't always do it justice. Here's the box I did, the little reindeer box, also, which is kind of janky because it's just cardboard. Yeah, so I took like a Walmart lit up garland for $9, and then I took a plain garland for $3, and they're both a 9-inch garland, and I twined them together and I hung them on some command strips, and yeah, it wasn't even flocked or anything. And my little secret to flocking is you just take like that dollar acrylic paint, and I just take a sponge, I don't know if you can see it, and that's what I use to add dimension. I don't bother with like, you know, the flocking stuff you could use. I did it on my wreath last year. Same thing with like Dollar Tree embellishments. And I think like this wreath form, like with the spruce or the pine, whatever, was like $3. But anyway, I don't know, I thought I'd do a short video, like a behind the scenes. Because I feel like, again, sometimes the pictures don't always capture it. So, yeah, here's like one embellishment. And I'm in the process of hot gluing it. I think some of them I got at AC more, like half off, like $1 under. These were like a string of ornaments, and I just like cut them off. They were Dollar Tree. This, believe it or not, Dollar Tree. And like these are really nice, high quality. These are like clip-ins, also Dollar Tree. Same thing, clip-ins, Dollar Tree. This I got AC more. It was $1.99 but 50% off, so $1. This I still have to glue down. Yeah, this AC more for $1. You know, more little ornaments. These I glued down. Yeah, all these guys were like AC more. And then these things I cut off of a larger like bouquet. And these were Dollar Tree. And I also have to still glue those down as well. So I'm like halfway through. These I don't know if I'm gonna bother because they clipped in, like I said, and they were Dollar Tree. And then this is the same that you see more, and then again, like this is all green, and I'm probably gonna add a little bit more acrylic paint to it, but it added so much dimension. That's how I feel. And then I did this yesterday. This is all Dollar Tree. Like this is a Dollar Tree white wreath, and I just like bent it all around. And then this was like attached to the snowflakes, which I think I got these snowflakes at Walmart, actually. And then this thing too, it was like a ring of little ornaments and poinsettias, and I just like bent it around. And that was Walmart. And then this wreath was what I did last year. I've shown pictures of this. And I put up some Dollar Tree stars. Again, I'm like only maybe halfway done decorating. I gotta do the tree yet. I gotta finish my sideboard. I gotta put up a garland and stuff. So this is like totally, whatchamacallit, behind the scenes. You know, nowhere near done yet. So, But I don't know, sometimes I feel like pictures don't always capture, so I just thought I'd show it, and this has gone on way too long already, so hope everybody's having a good night, and everybody take care.